Hello IG Garage family. Have you noticed your engine running a little off, and your OBD-II scanner showing the P0027, exhaust valve control, solenoid circuit range, performance, bank 1? This code is a bit tricky but crucial for your engine's performance. Stick around as we uncover what this code means, show you exactly where to locate the solenoid, and walk you through fixing it. Don't miss the video suggestions at the end to keep your car in perfect shape. What does P0027 mean? The P0027 code is triggered when the exhaust valve control solenoid in bank 1, the side of the engine with cylinder 1, isn't performing within its expected range. This solenoid controls the variable valve timing, which optimizes engine performance and fuel efficiency. Symptoms of P0027: reduced engine performance or hesitation during acceleration, rough idling or stalling, poor fuel economy. Check engine light illuminated. Common causes of P0027: faulty exhaust valve control solenoid, oil flow issues such as dirty or low oil levels, wiring or connector damage in the solenoid circuit, PCM, powertrain control module, malfunction, though rare. Sensor location: the exhaust valve control solenoid for bank 1 is typically located near the cylinder head on bank 1, often mounted near or integrated with the valve cover. In some vehicles you may find it on the front side of the engine block for easier oil control. Refer to your vehicle's service manual for the exact location, as it can vary based on the make and model. Ensure the solenoid is accessible for inspection and replacement. Check the solenoid. Inspect the exhaust valve control solenoid for signs of wear, clogging, or damage. Replace if necessary. Check oil quality. Ensure your engine oil is clean and at the correct level. Dirty or low oil can disrupt the solenoid's function. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, loose, or corroded wiring in the solenoid circuit. Secure and repair as needed. Test the solenoid circuit. Use a multimeter to check the solenoid's electrical resistance and continuity. Scan and reset. After repairs, clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and test drive your car to ensure the issue is resolved. And that's everything you need to know about the P0027 exhaust valve control solenoid circuit range performance, bank 1. With the solenoid location in mind and these troubleshooting steps, you'll have your engine running smoothly in no time. For more fixes, check out these related videos. P0402 excessive EGR flow, P0533 AC pressure sensor circuit high input. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert tips from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.